Next, how to connect your email account and send emails in Zapify.io. Go to Settings, then click Email Services. Then here, choose between connecting via SMTP, Gmail, or Outlook Microsoft. So try not to add Gmail. Then sample Samantha Blockus at gmail.com. Then mag-create ka password. Then click and save. Then after, follow the prompts to authenticate and verify your email address. And once connected, all outgoing emails will be sent from your connected account.